Hey everyone, if you're looking to add some serious punch to your home theater or music setup, you might be wondering whether the SVS PB-1000 Pro ported subwoofers are actually worth the investment. These aren't your average subwoofers, they are designed for people who want deep, clean bass without breaking the bank. If that sounds like you, stick around because this review is going to break down exactly what makes these subs stand out. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, let's talk about the build quality. SVS is known for their attention to detail, and the PB-1000 Pro is no exception. The fiber composite cone is stiff but lightweight, which means it can move quickly and accurately without distorting. That's a big deal because it translates to tighter, more controlled bass. The dual ferrite magnet motor assembly is another standout feature. It gives you plenty of power to handle those low-end rumbles without running out of steam. I've used these in a few setups now, and they consistently deliver that tight, punchy bass that doesn't sound muddy or boomy. One of the things I really appreciate about these subs is how well they integrate with existing systems. Whether you're running a 5.1 home theater or just want to beef up your stereo setup, the PB-1000 Pro plays nice with a variety of amplifiers and receivers. The dual-layer voice coil design helps maintain clarity even at higher volumes, so you're not left with a muddy mess when you crank it up. I've paired these with everything from budget receivers to high-end separates, and they've always sounded natural and balanced. If you're someone who loves movies with deep, immersive soundscapes, these subs are a game changer. I remember watching a sci-fi film with a scene set in a massive underground facility. Those deep, rumbling bass tones made the whole room shake in the best way possible. The PB-1000 Pro handles those low frequencies effortlessly, and the ported design means you get that extended bass response without needing a sub that's the size of a refrigerator. It's a great balance between performance and footprint. For music lovers, these subs shine too. Whether you're listening to electronic beats, hip-hop, or even acoustic tracks, the PB-1000 Pro adds that extra layer of depth that makes the music feel alive. I've used them with everything from small bookshelf speakers to larger floor standers, and they always fill in the low end without overpowering the mids and highs. The powder-coated FEA-optimized driver basket also helps reduce vibrations, so you're not getting any unwanted rattling or buzzing in your setup. Another thing worth mentioning is the ported design. Ported subs like this one are known for delivering more output in the lower frequencies compared to sealed subs, which can be a big plus if you're looking for that chest-thumping bass. The PB-1000 Pro's ported design is tuned to hit those low notes without sounding artificial or bloated. It's a great choice if you're after that cinematic experience, or just want your music to have that extra oomph. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the build quality is top-notch, and the sound is incredibly clean and powerful for the price. The integration with other systems is seamless, and the ported design gives you that extra low-end punch. On the downside, these subs are pretty large, so you'll need some space for them. They are also not the most portable option if you ever need to move them around. But if you're setting up a dedicated home theater or music room, that's probably not an issue. So, who are these subs for? If you're someone who values deep, accurate bass and doesn't want to compromise on build quality, the SVS PB-1000 Pro is absolutely worth considering. They are a fantastic choice for home theater enthusiasts, music lovers, and anyone who wants to upgrade their system without breaking the bank. The link is below if you want to check them out. For most buyers, the real question is not whether SVS PB-1000 Pro ported subwoofers pair, premium black ash, sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like fiber composite cone with exceptional stiffness-to-mass ratio and proprietary injection mold extreme excursion surround ensures actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off.